Iman has categories, and that's what I want to remind us of. The first stage of Iman is iqrarun bil lisan. That is, we testify without tongue. Iqrarun bil lisan. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. I testify that Allah is one and there is no other ma'bud besides him, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his messenger. Simple testification by tongue. The next stage of it is tasdeequm bil qalb. Iqrarun bil lisan wa tasdeequm bil qalb. Iqrar is to testify. Tasdeeq is to validate. That I pronounce it with my tongue, but I validate it with my heart. I validate it with my heart. And this is a very important factor, because in Quran, in Surah Hujurat, we come across an incident. We come across an incident where there were some people who had entered into Islam, and they started calling that we are the believers. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that Ya Rasulullah, that when they tell that we have believed, tell them that you haven't believed. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, ayah number 14 of Surah Hujurat says, قَالَتِ الْأَعْرَابُ آمَنَّا, that these Bedouins, they come and they say that we have believed. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells Rasulullah that قُلْ لَمْ تُؤْمِنُوا, tell them you have not believed. But instead, these people should say that we have just accepted Islam. وَلَكِنْ قُولُوا أَسْلَمْنَا. And what is the reason for that? وَلَمَّا يَدْخُلِ الْإِيمَانُ فِي قُلُوبِكُمْ. Because the Iman has not yet entered their heart. Iman has not yet entered their heart. This tasdeequm bil qalb is a very, very important factor. But the question arises that how do we know that, have I just done iqrarun bil lisan, have I just testified, or has Iman literally entered into my heart as well? So the beauty of our religion is that even that is answered. It said that when you have testified by your tongue and you have verified it within your heart, it would start reflecting in your actions. The verification of heart would start reflecting in your actions. Al-Imanu iqrarun bil lisan. The Iman is that you acknowledge it with your tongue. وَتَصْدِيقٌ بِالْجَنَانِ, that you, or تَصْدِيقٌ بِالْقَلْبِ, that you validate it with your hearts. وَأَمَلٌ بِالْأَرْكَانِ, and that you show it through your body parts, that it should show on your body parts.